All right, congratulations. This is video 47. It is the last one in this series. Although you might be sad to realize in your booklet there's some other pages, but hopefully you've done those already. All right, this is the second one on renting, leasing, or purchasing and making those big decisions. So let's see. Actually, I would suggest if you have done the previous one, so number 46, the one about Amanda and her vehicle, turn off the video, try this one on your own, see what you get, see if we come up with the same answers. All right, so Lance started his own construction business 2 years ago. His business has grown quickly and his home office is no longer big enough. He is considering two options. He could sign a 3-year lease on office space with a monthly rental of $2,000, a refundable damage deposit of $2,000. But there is a penalty of breaking the lease. Or he could purchase a house and renovate it to make it into an office. And we've got a 5% down payment. He would take out a 15-year mortgage, 5% compounded semi-annually with monthly payments. Oh yeah, this is one I was going to say we can't do. But we're just going to take that out of the mix. Okay. All the questions we've done basically work out to be the compounding and the payments are supposed to be at the same time. When we do the calculations, I'll tell you how you could actually figure out the monthly payments. But let's do the lease first, because that seems pretty easy. All right, so rent is $2,000 a month times, well, let's see, that'd be 12 months a year times, and we're looking at the cost over 15 years. So 2,000 times 12 times 15. So and we're going to assume that he's a construction guy. Let's assume that he fixes it up nice when he leaves so we don't have to worry about this damage deposit. It says it's refundable. Okay, but it does mention there's a penalty for breaking the lease. So that means if in one of those 3-year stretches, probably, if he breaks it early, I don't know, they might charge him an extra month's rent or something like this. I don't know. Okay, let's go purchase. You guys should be good at this. We've done a lot of them. All right, 2,000, there's my house. Okay, so we got 5% down payment. Let's figure that out first. So the house is 285 times 0.05, right? Converting the 5% into a decimal. I just did that right away. So 285, 258,000, sorry, times 0.05. All right. So a $12,900 down payment. So let's go 285,000 minus 12,900. So his loan, I'll just do it this way, is $272,100. $272,100 is the loan. And now we need to go PRIN. And it is 15 years. Times, it says compounded semi-annually, so that's going to be 2, so that's going to give me 30. My interest rate is 5% divided by 100 divided by 2, 0.025, but I'm going to double check that. 5 divided by 100 divided by 2. There we go. Yep. Regular payments, don't know. and my the amount of my loan is 272. There we go. All right, let's throw this in the formula. I'm going to put it way up here. 1 minus 1 plus I minus n over I. $272,100 is equal to R1 minus 1. Okay, I'm going to be lazy. The very last one. I'm giving in. I'm being lazy. Minus 30 over 0.025. I added the 1 onto there. I skipped a step. Sorry. One minus. All right, so this one. Now we need to do exponent and make sure it's minus and 30. 0.476742685. 0.025. 1 minus 0.476742685. 0.52352731. 0.025. We're getting there. We're getting there. 272,100. Divide by 0.025. 20.930. 2926. $272,100 divided by 20.9302926. 13,030 cents. Now, don't panic. That seems way crazy compared to what we usually get, but remember, that's a semi-annual payment. So every 6 months he has to do that. And when I was saying about monthly payments, if I really wanted to know what his monthly payment would be, I would just divide that by 6, right? Because it's semi-annually. So his actual monthly payment is about $2,160. So I guess it's a little bit higher than what leasing would be. Okay, so this is semi-annually. So if I take that number, 13,000.30, and I multiply it by 2, that's going to give me how many payments, how much per year. Oops, times 2, 26,000. I knew that. 26. Right, because he's paying extra because of the interest. And then that loan is going to be over 15 years. So this is per year. And I'm going to go times 15. And I'm going to get 390,009. So 390,000. Oh, I did it again. So there's our difference. If he rents it, it's $360,000. If he buys it, it's $390,000, give or take. So, which is the best choice? I would suggest, even though it's more money, it's an extra $30,000. So it's an extra $2,000 a year, and he would own the place. Part of it is he's in a construction business. So if something goes wrong with his house, he'd be able to fix it. Not like he's going to have people come in and fixing things. If it wasn't for a construction company, if it was somebody like me, it might make more sense for me to lease it, because if something goes wrong, I can call the landlord and they can come fix it. I'm not responsible for that. So again, same like the last question. As long you can choose whichever one you think is best, as long as you can back it up with some logic. Thank you. End of the video.